Calista, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do a somewhat of a weekly vlog for you guys, even though it is Wednesday. I think I might do this vlog until Friday or Saturday. So if you guys know this vlog and you guys like it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and you guys also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I can't talk as always, but anyways, let's just get on to this. So guys, I do not recommend staying up until 3 in the morning and then getting up at 9:30 because it's not a good time. I'm so tired. And on accident, I stayed up until 3 in the morning talking to my guy friends on the phone on video chat. So that was my own mistake. But now I'm just getting ready to go to physical therapy. I have my mocha here from my Keurig, and then my dad, brewed for me. So now we're just gonna head to physical therapy here in a few. The sun is shining, so that gives me something to be happy about. But I'm just really tired. And I'm never staying up until 3 in the morning ever again. Quote me on that, because I'm not going to do that. Anyways, so yeah, I might stick until like 1, but that's like the latest I'm going to go. Hey guys, so I'm back from therapy and more awake and more alive than as you guys saw me this morning, because like I said, I went to bed really, really late, and I'm not doing that ever again, unless I have to. But anyways, I'm just still drinking my coffee, and I was at therapy for about an hour, and I'm still trying to drink this because I burnt my tongue on my way to physical therapy trying to drink this. So now I'm just catching up. And this is not it. My sister is actually getting me some coffee at the coffee shop. And then I think Taylor's coming over. I'm not positive. But right now I'm just talking to the boys like I always do. But with that being said, that's about it. But I will talk to you guys when something interesting is happening like I always do. So, speaking of, I'm wearing this hoodie again like I did in the last vlog because I did not have time this morning to grab too many things. Hey guys, so it is now, what day is it? Thursday? No, Wednesday? Thursday? It's Thursday. Is it Thursday? Okay. It is now Thursday, guys. I just got back from physical therapy and now I'm talking to the boys again. Like I always am. And then after this I'm going to get my nails done. So, because they need done. And I'm also paying for my lovely sister to get hers done for part of her birthday gifts, even though her birthday is next month. She's getting a little bit early because I feel like I should. And yes, and with that being said, here are the boys again. They're not being dumb this time. Usually they're being, like, I give them looks because they're being boys. But they're actually being good right now. What in the world?
No, we're not. We're idiots all the time.
His face. And then you came Marcus's face. I need to get that on film Monday of what his face looks like when he's annoyed. Are you good? Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I know I tried to vlog on the car, but not too much because I don't want to get copyright. Like, I don't want to get, like, a little copyright thing that goes around on YouTube. I can't think of the name of it, but YouTube is being very, very strict on what music you use in your videos right now. It's going viral. It's going crazy. Everyone's complaining about it. I'm kind of going to probably complain about it at some point, too. But I just got my nails done, so these are what they look like, and I love them, and I'm obsessed with them. So my sister also got hers done, too, but she left her work. And as you guys saw, I was in the car with her, but now I'm just watching some YouTube videos and checking up on my video. I was talking to the boys, but Marcus had to go to the store. Alright, hey guys, so I want to do this quick little, like, intro to this day. So today is Sunday, and I'm about to go out to eat with some friends, some family friends of my family's and mine, of course. Out to eat.
Well, he like disappeared. He's like, I want to tell
Okay. Oh, that's gross. One happy Like, oh. Like, what? Watching Haley fan. Hey guys, so this will be the end of the couple of days of this, I guess you could call it weekend vlog / weekly vlog. I don't know what you want to call this, but it is the new year, so happy 2019. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see what YouTube brings me for this year, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Make sure you always know that you are beautiful, stay positive, be unique, be kind, and be yourself, and I am out. Deuces.